A Maryland judge was fatally shot in the driveway of his home on Thursday, October 19, in what police suspect to be a targeted attack. News.com has learned that authorities suspect a man whom the judge had denied custody of his children in a divorce case ruling hours before the murder. According to the Washington County Sheriff's Office, Circuit Court Judge Andrew Wilkinson was found dead on the driveway outside his residence in Hagerstown about 8 p.m. Thursday. Sheriff Brian K. Albert said in a news conference on Friday that Wilkinson's wife and son were both at home when the shooting occurred, according to NBC News. The victim was suffering from what appeared to be gunshot wounds. He was transported to Meritus Medical Center, where he later succumbed to his injuries, the sheriff's office said in a statement. Sheriff Albert also said that the local, county, and state law enforcement are actively looking for 49-year-old Pedro Argote as the prime suspect in the homicide investigation, and added that he is considered armed and dangerous. Argote is described as 5 feet 7 and weighing 130 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes, and he may be driving a silver 2009 Mercedes with Maryland plates for EH0408, according to NBC News. Anyone with information in reference to Argote's location is asked to not approach him but to immediately notify law enforcement, the official said. Argote's divorce case, which he filed in June 2022, was being presided over by Judge Wilkinson on Thursday morning, just hours before the shooting took place. However, the sheriff confirmed that Argote was not present in court during the proceedings, the New York Post reported. The Hagerstown Herald-Mail reported that the judge had signed an order Thursday saying there was to be no visitation or contact between Argote and his 4 children, or their mother, unless initiated by her. The judgment also stated that the mother was to have sole use and possession of the family home, which is a property west of Hagerstown, and that Argote was not to enter that property. Furthermore, the court ruled that he was to pay the mother child support amounting to $1,120 a month. Deputies had responded to Argote's home twice on calls of verbal domestic assault in the past 2 years, as Sheriff Albert pointed out. The Herald-Mail reported the Maryland State Police has deployed troopers to protect judges who live in Washington County for precautionary reasons. The Maryland judiciary mourns the tragic death of Judge Andrew Wilkinson. As we grieve his loss, we ask that you keep the Wilkinson family in your prayers and please respect their privacy. The Maryland judiciary is actively engaging with law enforcement to assist in resolving this matter and to ensure the safety of our judges, staff, and visitors, which remains our top priority. Judge Wilkinson was a prominent member of his community, and according to an online profile, he became an associate judge in Washington County Circuit Court in January 2020. His neighbors described him as down-to-earth and friendly, per NBC News. He was a terrific guy, and this is devastating to the community. What happened is terrifying, unexpected. And I feel so terribly for Stephanie and the kids, said Penny Hill, who lived next door to the judge before recently moving. Former Maryland State Delegate Neil C. Parrott wrote a statement on X, formerly Twitter, regarding Judge Wilkinson's passing. Horrible news in Washington County tonight. It appears that Judge Andrew Wilkinson was shot multiple times and has passed away, he wrote.